Hi there, welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today we have a coloring book by one of my favorites, Hanna Lynn. Now this particular Christmas coloring book has 2 pages of each illustration, so I absolutely love that. 30 times 2 fun pages for all ages. This is titled A Whimsy Girls Christmas Coloring Book, Festive Girls, Fairies, and More. Here is the back with a total of 60 pages. Illustrated by Hanna Lynn. And then here is a layout of all of the 30 illustrations. And remember, you get 2 each time. Hanna Lynn gives some coloring tips. One of the things she says is place a small stack of copy paper 4 to 5 sheets behind the page you are coloring to eliminate bleed through and indentation marks. You can read about all of these, and then there's more tips on her website for coloring. So I like that she added that. So let's get started. And remember, you'll have 1 page and then a double. I like it that she puts them side by side. You might want her eyes to be green and then maybe violet, or do something different. Here we go, let's take a look. is the Whimsy Girls Christmas coloring book. I really like this one. This one looks like a lot of fun. Thank you for joining Sugar Hiccups, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.